This is a dBRAND Ghost case, and they call it the next gen clear case, but I call it just the most hyped iPhone case I've ever seen. So let's take a closer look at it, let's see all of its qualities, and let's make sure that it fits a hype or if it's just another case. And there it is. So this is the fabled dBRAND Ghost case. Once it's out of the box, you can see how reflective it is. And unlike any other MagSafe case that you see, this is really going to be a very thick magnet for the MagSafe, and it's kind of inlaid inside of the polycarbonate backing, and it's not kind of like a sticker that you see more popular on majority of the iPhone cases. There's also a large camera bump, and it's protruding, and it looks just about 2 millimeters tall, and then you're going to have this rail on the side. Texture grip area here is pretty innovative, however it does interfere with the overall clean look of your case, and it runs along the entire side on all four sides. The case alone weighs 32 grams, and when you put your iPhone inside of it, you can see how shiny the back is, and it's much shinier than most of your traditional iPhone clear cases. And if you want to do a drop test, let's do it right now. And the plastic here, the polycarbonate shell, it's very reflective and it's shiny. This is not going to be a matte finish, it's definitely a shinier finish. So we're going to do a quick drop test repeatedly on this hard floor to see how it holds up. The big claim for fame here is that dBRAND is saying that the plastic will not yellow, and it's not going to be yellow if you leave it out in the sun for 3 days. It's just not going to yellow. dBRAND does say that the TPU material used around the clear case is eventually going to yellow due to exposure to UV light. However, the polycarbonate back is not going to yellow and stay crystal clear. How do you know that's going to work? Because I have many a polycarbonate case and they do yellow over time with a lot of sun, which is something that we want to test, but I got to give it some time. So we're going to test it for about 60 days and see if we can make it yellow. So let's answer the question, is the dBRAND Ghost case going to be the best case for an iPhone 15 Pro Max or an iPhone 15? Well, no, because for protection, it's okay, but it's not going to be the most protective, and that's because it's really light, and that is its best quality. At 32 grams in terms of weight, it's listed at 33. We got 32. It is actually just about the same weight as the Apple Fine Woven case, coming in at 29 grams. And the Apple Fine Woven case is not protective at all, so you get much better with the Ghost, and you get the MagSafe. However, it is really reflective here, and the case itself, except for the grippy sides, is not going to be as grippy as the ultimate or the top cases you can get for an iPhone 15 Pro Max, especially at the same price as the Ghost case itself. I have been pretty nervous about scratching the camera bump area because it's black and my keys might be able to scratch it, and it's going to be really visible around my camera bump. But overall, it looks like a complicated case, but it's really just a very simple case that is very thin. And what it reminds you of is that it looks like a mouse case or a Casetify case, except compared to those cases, it's going to be less expensive. It's actually going to be much shinier, and the MagSafe magnets here are powerful, but they're really not powerful enough, because when you compare it to other MagSafes, well, you're going to be disappointed because in 2023, some of my MagSafe magnets, you really got to pull hard just to detach it from whatever it's attached to. So in terms of fingerprints, the dBRAND is going to be prone to fingerprints, as you can see, and just in a little bit of use, I've noticed that I get about maybe 50% more fingerprints on the Ghost case versus any other case. And I think that's related because they're using a special type of material or a blend here that's more prone to fingerprints but less likely to yellow. And you notice that if you look on the corners of the Ghost case, there's going to be the shock absorption material on the outside, not on the inside. And on the inside, it's just the case without any padding on the inside. You just put your phone in. So this is the dBRAND Ghost case. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment box below. I'll get back to you. And please hit that like and subscribe button. It really does help support our channel. And I'll catch you next time. This is David with the French Glow, signing off. Bye, bye, bye.